channel and welcome back to one more useful and informative video. Today let us see an effective time management technique called Eisenhower matrix. And yeah, without any further delay, let's get into the video straight away. This video is for the people who will handle multiple tasks and for the people who want to have a very productive lifestyle. This actually helps you all to achieve your long-term goals as well as short-term goals with better time management. Okay, now before getting into the technique, let us see the man behind this famous technique. He is Eisenhower and he is the 34th president of United States who came up with this technique. You know what? In his time as president, he initiated several programs like the launch of internet and the establishment of NASA. One of his famous quotes is that most things which are urgent are not important, and most things which are important are not urgent. So, guys, you have to remember one thing that a good time management technique will dramatically decrease your stress and increase your productivity. So, this isn't how a matrix will support you all to prioritize the tasks according to the importance and urgency. So now let's see all those four quadrant matrices in this technique. The first quadrant is do. These are the tasks that are important and urgent, and these tasks may require immediate attention. So we need to finish tasks right away, and delaying these tasks may lead to negative consequences. And so is the reason you have to analyze your priorities first and then decide whether it will fit with this criteria or not. And these tasks may come up with lots of stress, deadlines, and pressing problems. And in most of the cases, people do get consumed by these activities since problems are always appearing. An example of quadrant 1 in your career may be answering a time sensitive email from a client. And in your personal life, it might be taking care of a newborn baby or any medical emergencies as such. The second quadrant is decide. These are the tasks that are important but not necessarily urgent. This is where you want to invest most of your time, and anything that will be beneficial to you in the long term will fall into this category. And these tasks may take lots of time and effort to achieve. So you need to do these tasks someday, but there isn't a strict or immediate deadline on them. So, to avoid procrastination, you have to decide when you have to tackle each task, and you have to set clear deadlines and build these activities into your schedule. An example of quadrant 2 is exercise, family time, etc. in your personal life. And coming to career wise, it might be obtaining a degree or gaining some knowledge in the area of your interest. The third quadrant is delegate. This category generally refers to the tasks which are not important but urgent. These are the source of distractions. Most of the cases, people do get stuck in this category because they feel that all urgent tasks are important tasks, and so you'll be constantly reacting to all the things in the process. And to be frank, these tasks don't contribute much to your productivity. So try to minimize as much as you can from the to-do list. And of course, you have to decide whether you need to reschedule it or if someone else can do it for you so that you can concentrate on some other important things. An example of quadrant 3 in your personal life might be using social media, and coming to career wise, it might be conducting meetings, attending calls, and emails. The fourth quadrant is delete. These tasks are simply waste of your time and they should be eliminated. If you can identify and eliminate all of your quadrant 4 tasks, then you'll free up some much needed time to invest in your quadrant 2 tasks. An example of quadrant 4 task might be playing video games, watching TV in your personal life, and coming to career wise, it might be attending personal mails in working hours and browsing the internet to just waste our time. So here it is very important to remember that everyone has their own goals and objectives. So just because something falls into quadrant 2 for you, it may not for the next person. And also, just because these tasks are not urgent does not mean that they are not important. People often associate urgent matters with being important, which is not always true. So, hope today's topic will be useful to you in managing your short-term goals and long-term goals concerning time. And it will be helpful to you in your personal life as well as professional life. Yeah, that's it for today. Hope you all like this video, and I'll meet you again with much more interesting videos. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you for your precious time. Bye.